Welcome everybody and a big update for CA students, CA practitioners and the CA members too. Yes, if you are a CA aspirant, for you also this is a big update. So stay connected for few minutes and I will share you complete information whatever is there relating to the latest proposed changes in the CA scheme of education. So are you ready? Yes, after 10th class you can register for Chartered Accountancy Foundation course. Yes, after 10th class you can register. And there will be 4 subjects there and 50% marks is compulsory for each paper. That is what the notification says. And negative marking will be introduced in 2 papers, like mathematics is there, which is MCQ based paper. Economics will be MCQ based paper. In that 50% negative marking will be there, and that negative marking will be 0.25%. That means if you write a wrong answer, then 0.25 will be deducted from the marks which you earned by writing the right answers. So this is what the update about foundation. And coming to intermediate, you should complete your 12th class and foundation, then you can register for CA intermediate. In intermediate, again you will have just 6 papers to write, not 8 papers like this. Now what are that subjects? As of now notification is yet to come, but rumors are that economics in CA inter will be removed. Your EI is there, that will be removed. These are the 2 subjects which will be removed for sure. And your syllabus accounting 1, accounting 2 in group 1 and group 2, that will be merged and made one subject. That is what the present talks are. Now coming to the notification, earlier you were to get the exemption only for the 3 attempts. Suppose in this exam you got 60 marks or more in one paper, so you can claim the benefit of that in the next attempt, next attempt, only 3 times. After that you lost the exemption. But what you really put the efforts and earned, should it be lost? It's wrong, correct? So institute tried to correct it by saying that you can claim the benefit of exemption not only in the 3 attempts but also after the 3 attempts. But CA Institute always put some subject to clauses, right? They said that suppose this time you got 75 marks, right? And you claimed the exemption. Now balance 3 papers, you have to write how much? You have to get how much? You have to get 50%, right? So suppose 400 marks paper, you got 75 in this, got taken the exemption. In the balance 3 papers, if you get 125 also, that's enough, right? That is what the rule was. So in aggregate, including the exemption paper, if you get 50%, that was enough. Same will continue for the first 3 attempts. But after that, you can carry forward the exemption in the 4th attempt, 5th attempt, 6th attempt, no problem at all. But the balance papers, you should get 50% for sure. So in the balance paper, 50% including the exemption paper marks was there for the first 3 attempts, is there for the first 3 attempts. But now after the 3 attempts are over, you enjoy the exemption but at least get 50% in the balance papers. That is what the new condition which they brought in the education. Now negative marking may also be brought. This is a rumor. As of now no notification has been specified, but this is a rumor and that may happen for sure. Case study based MCQ 30 marks will be introduced in each and every paper. That is also a talk. I feel that will sure happen in inter and final both. Next thing, in corporate and other laws which we study, other laws will be totally removed. That is what the talk. Sure, I know that it will happen. Next thing which I am sharing about articleship, there are lot of changes. The stipend has been increased. Minimum stipend, if the population of the city is more than 20 lakh, most of the cities has. So if the population is more than 20 lakhs, 4,000 is the minimum stipend in the first year, second year it is 5,000, third year it is 6,000. But I don't know, they changed the articleship period from 3 years to 2 years now. So when it is 2 years, why they said first year 4,000, second year 5,000, third year 6,000? Don't know. But as of now, 2 years articleship is mandatory, and write final, clear it and become a chartered accountant. get the membership from ICAI. But if you really want to start your practice, then you have to work again for 1 year under a fellow chartered accountant, and then only you can apply for COP. That is what the new conditions are. This will really help the students who want to get into industry, because most of the students really want to get into the industry. Very few come into the practice, right? Next new better articleship included industrial training. Industrial training was for 18 months in the past, because articleship was for 3 years, so they said 18 months or less you can do industrial training. But now, because articleship itself is restricted to 2 years, they said industrial training also will be restricted. Maximum period will be 12 months, that's it. And the great news in this is your industrial training stipend will be 15,000 per month. Ha! When you did it for industrial training, if you would have done for articleship also, that would have been great. So we suggest to the CA Institute that do this, and give it a thumbs up for this comment from my side, this suggestion which I am giving to the institute for sure. Next thing which we have to focus on, that if you are an international student studying Chartered Accountancy of India in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Oman, then what to do? Then you can do articleship there under the respective chartered accountants. Yes, there whoever chartered accountants are there practicing there, you can do articleship under them. Obviously, most of the CA institutes across the globe are covered, are members of the International Federation of Accountants, so you will not face any problem. But ensure that if you are an international student, you are doing articleship under a chartered accountancy institute where it is recognized by International Federation of Accountants. This is what regarding articleship. Now the special thing which they brought is that online courses they are bringing. So learn at your pace, online courses. Like example, in final they are planning to remove the chartered the online corporate laws and allied laws subject, and that will be introduced into online course which you can do at your self pace and write the exam and clear it. Same way with SCMPE, again it would be introduced as online course. So they did not reduce any subjects in final level, they simply shifted the burden and made it self based. That's it what I feel. Nothing special benefit given to the students. This is the changes which the institute tried to bring in the education. Now, syllabus, some subjects may be brought into online examination pattern. That is what the institute is giving the hint through the notification which we can see in the official gazette released in the government. E-Gazette website is there that you can refer. Now, I'll tell you certain things. When you think about CBSE board, when you think about International Baccalaureate program, 11th, 12th schooling, there also scheme of marking is there. If you write this much, this many marks, this much, this many marks, like that clarity is there. Why not such clarity CA Institute gives? Presently, the life of students has become hell, because the way you are giving the marks, students don't know. But make it a heaven. Really, in the history, your name will be recorded that you have brought such a revolutionary change. So I request the president of ICAI and the syllabus making body to consider this suggestion. All other teachers are really raising the voice for it. I also support them. Really, it is for the good of the students. Second thing, increase the stipend of the student. That is a very demanding thing, very important thing which I would suggest. Third thing which we request the ICAI to bring is that case study based question answer. Memory based learning should be replaced by analytical learning. That is what international educational institutions, professional bodies are doing. So please don't make changes on the outer part just to showcase, but real genuine changes should be brought which can really raise the standards of the ICAI and bring the glory to the institute. That's what we request the CA Institute to do. So these are the changes which we really suggest our institute to take up, and I would be very happy with it. So share this video, make it viral among the students, everybody support these suggestions. Yes, yes, 1 minute, last thing. Hey, these recommendations we can actually give to ICI, and on this I will make a separate video telling how you can make this recommendation. Let us make our voice very strong. And one more suggestion, revaluation should be introduced, not just recounting, because papers are corrected by chartered accountant. They are human beings, they may do mistakes, but there should be some chance given that if some corrections are done wrong, a proper again re-verification, rechecking of the paper should be done, and student who is genuine should definitely be supported. That is what my suggestions are. And share this video with all updates which are there, recommendations are there, I'll make in the form of videos and I'll share with you. Spread the knowledge, spread the awareness, raise the voice for making the institute stronger and globally vibrant.